Hi, my name is Daniel Azir and I'm a product marketing manager at Markforged. I'm going to walk you through the basics of our desktop series printer, which in my opinion is one of the most useful items you can put on your desk. Our desktop series consists of the Onyx One, the Onyx Pro, and the Mark II. The product line offers incredible versatility in the applications you can address, and we do this in part by designing everything that goes into your printer. Our machines, materials, and our software were all designed to be tightly integrated into one platform we call the Digital Forge. What does this mean for our users? It means every part you upload, slice, and print is streamlined, simple, and optimized for incredible surface finish, accuracy, and mechanical properties. With other 3D printers out there, users may rely on one company for the hardware, another company for the software, and a third company for the materials. That introduces a lot of uncontrollable variables that can lead to some negative consequences like sketchy print quality and a lot of trial and error just to get your part to print the way you want it to. By contrast, Markforged makes the hardware, the software, and the materials to guarantee the highest quality. The Digital Forge offers a degree of harmony that just isn't achievable when you're trying to overcome the many variables introduced by combining a hodgepodge of systems. From day one, Markforged set out to address 3D printing differently by creating parts as strong as metal right on your desktop. In 2014, Markforged invented and patented carbon fiber reinforced 3D printing, or CFR, which allows users to make parts as strong as metal just at the click of a button. Our CFR technology is objectively awesome. It starts with two materials, a spool of base plastic and a spool of continuous carbon fiber. We first deposit a layer of plastic out of a hot nozzle and onto the print surface. After that, a second nozzle comes in and irons down continuous fibers right on top of that plastic layer. The printer builds the part layer by layer until it sends you an email letting you know that your print is complete. Right off of the printer, the part has properties comparable to aluminum, all at a fraction of the cost and weight of a CNC machined equivalent. The core element that ties these and all of our printers together is the software. It's called Eiger and it's free to use. The best part is you can access it from anywhere. You just navigate to eiger.io from a Google Chrome web browser and voila! I've literally kicked off prints in the back of an Uber. Seriously, for all you folks out there plugging in USBs to the back of your printer, back of an Uber. Eiger isn't just a slicer. It's an all-in-one part library, version management, and cloud collaboration tool. It will of course slice your part, meaning it converts your part into a set of instructions that's readable by our printers. But our slicer is optimized for our materials and printers, meaning there are fewer steps users need to take to get a great part out of the printer. While Eiger is super simple to use, it's also designed to give power users the unique ability to control where continuous fibers go in the part and how the part responds to mechanical stresses. All told, the Markforged desktop series printers empower you to address the widest variety of applications, from prototyping to end-use parts as strong as metal. Our printers offer a simple-to-use system that makes some of the best-looking parts you can build at your desk. We knew from the get-go that people were going to use this printer for incredible applications like high-strength tooling or even production parts. That's why the team sweat the details that are immediately evident when you pop the hood of this machine. The single-body aluminum chassis the printer rides on was deliberately engineered to resist the torque induced by the belt drive system. Why does this matter? The stiffer frame results in higher accuracy and improved surface finish, resulting in the high-quality parts that Markforged is known for. The precision extruder constantly pipes data back to the system to monitor the health of your print wirelessly. Even the coupling mechanism used to secure the print bed uses magnets and is repeatable to within 10 microns. That's nearly 7 times smaller than the thickness of a human hair. In addition to carbon fiber, we innovated printing with 3 other continuous fibers dedicated for specialty applications, including high temperature and high impact. We also recently announced our own version of PLA, which we call Precise PLA, offering our users a new, more cost-efficient means of validating designs before going into production. For more information about the full range of materials we offer on our desktop series and the capabilities of each printer, check out the website, which is linked below the video. The desktop series offers modern manufacturers the ability to validate concepts and implement designs with consistent high quality and repeatability you can trust. Have a part you want to print on our desktop series? Have an interesting application you need help with? Hit us up in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more stories, tips, and tricks from Markforged. Thanks for watching.